We are here at Jim's place. Yeah, we went to get his that's the house. We went to get his package, and Ken has to go ahead because I want to walk. I want to walk. Walk. Yeah, there the lake. Oh, you see, this is the house of Jim, and Ken is already there. You see, that's the house, our house. See, this is the lake house, and see, he is already there, and I'm going to walk. Walk. Good morning, Mary Sunshine. How bright you are now. You can hear the sound. Yeah, this is where we stay. Our house in town is vacant. Nobody's staying there. I'm walking. Walking. Yeah, come on. Come on, guys. Yeah. Come on, let's walk. Walking. Yeah. Same place. Same thing. I know. Oh, Ken is already coming inside. He did not get the package. He did not take inside the house. I'm walking. Oh, let's see, where is that? Oh, you see, oh, lots of trees around this place. It's very peaceful. Nice place. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, guys.